I want to wish you and your family a joyful and colorful Holi. With the utmost safety, celebrate Holi with your loved ones. However, using synthetic colors during Holi can cause a variety of health issues, particularly ENT and respiratory issues. Exposure to synthetic colors can cause irritation and inflammation of the eyes, nose, and throat, and can also trigger asthma attacks in people with pre-existing respiratory conditions. Use natural and non-toxic colors. Wear a mask or cover your mouth and nose while playing with color to prevent respiratory diseases brought on by Holi. Like and share in your groups to spread the word about the healthiest way to celebrate Holi. Join our awareness campaign by subscribing to our YouTube channel, Happy Healthy Living. Visit our website at mansisurvivalaidfoundation.com to learn more. Thank you for coming.